So we've been playing golf now for a little bit. Tell us, like, I'm an equipment junkie.
Yeah.
All right. So maybe you could tell us like your driver and your putter, and what your favorite club in the bag is.
So my driver, I like my TaylorMade Stealth.
Okay.
I bought my lab putter from you. That thing is nice.
God, I really meant to believers, you know.
Dude, I would say my favorite. I love hitting my 8-iron.
Do you really?
Yeah.
What is it? 160?
Yeah, about 160, 170. I can, depending on right.
Lock in with the 8-iron?
Yeah.
So what's the handicap?
Handicap right now, I'd say is solid at 14.
Okay, that's pretty good. Scotty Scheffler would say that you're not yet serviceable.
No.
My guy's over here trying to close deals on hole 15. Or what is
Always
this?
working though.
Oh, let's do this. What did you get? You got a par?
You got a par, dude.
I had a bogey. You got one back. Not happy about that. You're trying to build real estate empire. What gets in the way, man? Like, cause that's pretty ambitious. You're young. You're ambitious. You got energy.
I think sometimes I try to help too many people at once, whether it's like coworkers, you know what I mean? And it's like, if I just literally focused on myself,
Got it.
I know I can knock out so much.
Yeah. No, you know what? I feel that, and like one of the things I think about sometimes for myself is, I've got a lot of things going on in my head, and a lot of them sound really exciting. So I'll end up sort of like entertaining all those things.
Yeah.
Some of them like die right away because not all of them are worthy of it, you know.
You going right for the pin, or you going
74?
you going left and have it roll down?
I'm gonna go right at it. I'm gonna try to be a little long, just because there's plenty of room up there.
You called it.
Just on.
Is that what pros do? They call it. They know what they're doing.
When you don't see the wins, oh, dude, and all you're seeing is like the constant work and the constant doubt. You know, sometimes you're just sitting there. Well, sometimes you're sitting there by yourself. Most people want to be there when you're winning.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just a little bit more.
it's not exciting to do things when you're feeling all the doubt, but you got to do it anyway. But it is exciting once you get through it. It's just that sometimes getting through it is like 1 to 3 years. It's not, I had a bad week. No, it's like I had a tough 3 years.
Yeah.
And 3 years of doubting yourself, 3 years of questioning whether you're doing the right thing. And then if you have like people around you that depend on you, whether it's coworkers, partners, family, you carry that.
You carry
You
it
know
out.
what I'm saying?